Hey everyone, welcome to Smart 4 Home. Today we're going to show you how to set up your Fire TV Cube quickly and easily, so you can start enjoying all your favorite shows, movies, and apps in no time. Whether you're new to Fire TV or upgrading from another device, we've got you covered. Step 1. Unboxing and contents. Let's start with unboxing. When you open the box, you'll find your Fire TV Cube, a power adapter, an infrared IR, extender cable, an Alexa voice remote, 2 AAA batteries, and a quick start guide. Step 2. Connecting the Fire TV Cube. First, plug one end of the power adapter into the Fire TV Cube and the other end into a power outlet. Make sure to use the included power adapter to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Setting up your remote. Insert the included AAA batteries into your Alexa voice remote. The Fire TV Cube will automatically pair with the remote, but if it doesn't, press and hold the home button for 10 seconds to pair manually. Step 4. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Next, you'll need to connect your Fire TV Cube to your Wi-Fi network. Using the Alexa voice remote, navigate to the settings menu, select network, and then select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the remote and wait for it to connect. Step 5. Setting up Alexa voice control. The Fire TV Cube has built-in Alexa, so you can control your TV hands-free. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your Amazon account and set up Alexa voice control. This will allow you to use voice commands to control your TV, play content, and much more. Step 6. Positioning the Fire TV Cube. Place your Fire TV Cube near your TV and ensure there are no obstructions blocking the IR signal if you're using devices that require it. You can use the IR extender cable if necessary to ensure all your devices are properly controlled. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your Fire TV Cube is now set up and ready to use. Whether you're streaming movies, playing games, or listening to music, the Fire TV Cube offers a seamless entertainment experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.